Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about VeChain and see what is going on in very short time. And unfortunately I'm not really seeing optimistic signs. Why is that? Let's check out this move up only. And number one, we are having between our pullbacks just constantly overlapping of the waves. Excuse me, my mouse is a bit glitchy. There we go. So this is a characteristic of a correction structure, suggesting in VeChain in the next 2-3 days we can expect a move down in order to take this low down here about, let's say, 2.1 cents just for the first target, meaning from here we can expect like a 10% move on the downside. Second reason for why I'm not optimistic in the short term, let's compare this move up timing wise to its previous move. How long did it take for us to have this one to about the highest side around, as you can see, 330 candlesticks in 15-minute chart. On the other hand, just in about 200 candlesticks we managed to have this strong move down. So as you can see, this suggests despite having way more than enough time, it seems like in this phase up, bulls did kind of fail to push the price all the way up here and completely cover this move down. And again, this is yet another sign suggesting in the short term in VeChain we can expect a continuation of the move down in order to take this low. So for the next 2-3 days you can expect this move to happen. Now this is the key. After this move down, what you want to see is actually a very strong reaction off of an important level right in here in order to take this important high and go probably quite a bit higher. Why is that? Because if we do that, that's actually going to be a great sign indicating some sort of a low in VeChain is in. And again, this is the key. We talked about it also in the previous update. We are at the moment under a very important weekly time frame support area. And again, what you do not want to see is a continuation of the move down in order to take this low, because that is kind of going to confirm that we did get a break of this level. On the other hand, if after a very small move down we get a move on the upside in order to take this high, well, okay, at the same time we are also back above this important level, and that suggests, you know what, maybe this was just a simple fake out, and at that point we can be a bit more optimistic than we are already about VeChain. So again, this is the key. Pay attention. In the short term, from my point of view, there is a good chance that we're going to get a move down in order to take this low, and then from here you want to see a move on the upside. What you do not want to see is actually a very strong move down and then correction structure and one more move down, because at that point that's going to suggest that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, indicating we may actually go down and take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 1.7 cents. So for now, let's expect a move down, but at the same time, let's hope that that move is going to be temporary and we are going to get a very strong bounce back soon. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in VeChain's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.